Here is the hair care part of my catalog. I had a sample of the Scalp Scrub, and I literally just now took off my Lily Rose hair towel from washing my hair, and I used the Scalp Scrub for the first time, my sample. And let me see if I can flip the camera. Hi. So this is straight out of my hair towel. And the first thing I notice when I put my fingers in my hair is it feels so incredibly light. It doesn't usually feel like this. So, and you can see a lot of curl in it. I mean, usually when I put some hair mask in it and scrunch it, then it gets curly, but this is straight out of my hair towel. So far, I'm liking the Scalp Scrub. I'll keep you posted. I had to come right back. I used my wide tooth comb, and usually I have to put on the hair mask or detangler when I get out of the shower after washing my hair in order just to comb it. And I just thought, since it feels so different, I'm just going to try it. And so I got my wide tooth comb, and I didn't even need a detangler. I'm thinking Scalp Scrub is amazing. I had to hop back on here because my hair has had enough time to dry now. I don't do anything else other than the hair towel, and it's had time to dry naturally. You can see after I did the wide tooth comb, the curl came back into it, and you can see how shiny it is, and it feels like rabbit fur. It is so soft. Okay, I am sold on the Scalp Scrub, and I just wanted to say that Scalp Scrub is amazing.